Hi everybody, welcome to Horse Ride. Today we are going to model a USB pen drive, and the Blender version which one I am going to use is 2.83.12. After opening the Blender, go to General. So this is the landscape which one we are going to design the modeling, and there are some few steps are there to be checked. Default always. Here you can able to see this cone tab. Press that icon to go to the particular tab, and here length you can change it to centimeters. It will be always in meter. Change it to centimeter and press N on the keyboard. You will get the new menu. Here you can go to the view tab and you can type to 10,000, and here this one is 50. You can make it to okay, that one it will be the same, it's not an issue. Then you can save this always default while the opens always the Blender, so you need to load the default settings. To do that, go to file, default, save startup file, click OK to save these settings always. Okay, let me create here, start creating a pen drive. So we can able to view here what I'm clicking and tabs and whatever the keyboard keys. So it will be very useful for you to look around. Okay, in this video I'm going to create a pen drive with how to say, I'm practiced already how to design a pen drive, then I'm guiding to the audience. So in next video what I'm going to do, I'm going to design a object including errors, so you can able to learn in which situation you can able to adjust the mesh and create a object correctly. So it will be very useful. So you can give it in command whether need to give you a tutorial with the errors or practiced one. Comment it in the comment box, and then now we are going to start the video. Before that, subscribe the channel. If you are new to the channel, subscribe the channel. Let's start. Press Shift A and mesh, create a cube. Press 3 on the keyboard to the right perspective view, orthographic view. Press S to scale, press Z to scale it in Z axis and scroll it down, and you can do via the numbers. Example, I just show you. Press N on the keyboard and open the menu. Press go to item. In Z you can make it as, you can reduce the size of the cube. So I make it as 1, not scale, here centimeter. So I make it as 1 centimeter in Z axis, and Y I make it as 1.4. so this is the thing, and X I'm going to make it as 4.1, and press period key on the keyboard to zoom it. So this is the size. So I make it little bit bigger. It's a pen drive size. Actually this is a pen drive size. So let me make it little bit bigger to do the design understand easily, and you can scroll it down how much size is required while in gaming or whatever VFX anything else. Okay, I'm going to reduce the size of the height. Press S to scale Z in Z axis. I reduce it. Okay, this will be fine. Press 3 on the keyboard, that is right side view. Press 1 on the keyboard on front view. Go to tab video. Before that, press Ctrl A and apply the scaling to align everything correctly. Press 1 on the keyboard, go to tab, press Ctrl R and create one edge loops here, and press Ctrl R and create it in middle. So it's not required in middle. Okay, let it be the same. Go to tab, press 1 on the keyboard for vertex, press Shift Z to go to wireframe mode. Select these vertices, press GX, align it like this, and I'm going to make it little bit go bottom. Fine. Here what I'm going to go to solid view, press 2 on the keyboard and select these corner edges. So if you want to know the basics, I give it in card. You can go to the basic lesson and you can learn from starting. Press Ctrl B to bevel, create the beveling and create one more edge loops. Okay, can make it keep it like this and select these three and Control B to bevel and you can make it like this. So this is more high bevel. This one I'm going to make it as little bit light. So this is the model which I'm going to give it in top, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one more edge loops here. Before that we can make one two edge loops here and one edge loops here and bottom. Okay, can make it. Okay, bottom is not taking. So what we can do is press 1 on the keyboard for vertex select and create two edge loops here. Then select this, press J to join. Select this, press J to join. And select these two, subdivide it by 2 times. Subdivide it and select this menu and change it to 2 cuts. So now it's created 2. Select this and this one, press J to join. Select this and this, J to join. Select this edge loop, just J to join. Select this and J to join. Then press Ctrl R and create two edge loops here. This one we can dissolve it. So select these edges. When you are going to delete, you can delete it without deleting the mesh. Press X on the keyboard and dissolve the edges, and press Ctrl R and create two things. Okay, press 1 on the keyboard, select these two and subdivide it by 2. Same way, select these two, subdivide it by 2. Select this vertices, these vertices, press J to join. Select this, press J to join. Same way we are going to join it here also. Select this vertices, select this and press J to join. Select these two and J to join. Okay, fine. Now we have created the cuts. Okay, and select this and press Ctrl B to bevel again and make it single two cuts and leave it. Select these three, this one, Control and select these two also. Sorry, yeah, let it be Control these three. Control B to bevel and leave the same. Okay, fine. So now we are going to create one edge loops here. What shall we do is, let me create one more design for this. Okay, press Ctrl R. Okay, go to object, you press Ctrl 3 to make it solid, and go to this tabs, normal, select auto smooth and shade smooth. Okay, and here you can disable the smooth option in edit mode. After this, select these vertices, select this, and this. No, this is not required. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it Control B to bevel. I'm going to give like this designs here. Okay, and sorry, something went wrong, so I just do it again. Control B to bevel. Okay, I'm going to leave it like this. Fine. So here what I'm going to do is go to edge selection, press 2 on the keyboard, select these edges, these, no, okay, fine. Select this one, and select this one and this one, and select this. Press Shift E and press 1 to create a crease. Go to tab view and you can view the model. Yeah, it looks fine. Okay, so this is the type which one we are plan to design the models. Go to tab view and press 1 on the keyboard and press G double time to move it towards the angle of the area. So now this one looks fine. Okay, and here what I'm going to do is select these vertices, Shift Z, press go to 1, press 1 on the keyboard and select these things. So this one I have selected all the things. Okay, and scale it in Y axis, press S and Y and scale it lightly down, and scale Z. Okay, then go to wireframe mode, press 2 on the keyboard, select this one and this one, press Shift E and press 1 and go to object mode and you can view. Actually this is a C type it's looking like, but we not require a C type because we are going to model a pen drive which is required for desktop. And select these two and select these bottoms, press alt and key to select everything. So all the things is selected, and press Shift E and 1 and enter. Now let me look it out. Yeah, it looks fine, and here it doesn't look nice. So what I'm going to do is here these edges I'm going to remove it because we don't want triangle like. Okay, X on the keyboard and dissolve the edges. Now it looks fine, and here I'm going to merge this one. Press first what I'm going to do, select this, press M on the keyboard and merge it at last. Press select this and Shift R to repeat the same last time. So I'm going to do both of this same thing. Okay, fine. Yeah, now it looks better. Here on some tricky is happening. So what I'm going to do it here, select this one, press J to join. So now looks fine. Okay, here also I'm going to do the same thing. Select this, press M1 and last, select this, Shift R to go back, Shift R to repeat the last what you have done. Okay, select this, X sorry, X on the keyboard and dissolve the edges. Fine, now it looks cool. So here something is happening. So what I am going to do is press 1 on the keyboard and select this and press G, and you can move and see what is happening exactly, where is the issue is. Select this, scale it in Y axis tightly out. Okay, cool. So we can do one thing. You can press 1 on the keyboard, select these vertices and press J to join and look at it out. Oh, okay, fine, now it looks nice. Okay, J to join and press J. Yeah, now looks better. And press yes to save, and I just having save it in desktop pen drive. Please save the files always in D drive and other important location. Don't save it in C drive, my documents. Okay, now this part is completed. So now we are going to do the texturing in this pen drive. Okay, here we have missed out one more thing. Here we need to remove some cuts. So I press Ctrl R and create one edge loops. Okay, and this top I'm going to delete it. Press shift and select everything, press X and delete the faces and go to object mode, and yeah, it's looking fine, good. Okay, fine. So select these faces and go to front view, and press E to extrude in X axis. So here we are going to create one more thing. Okay, let me see how it looks. Oh, it's very bad because what we expected it's not came. So for this, what I'm going to do, select this, select this, select this, select this, sorry, select this one, shift Z. So we have selected first stage, press F2. Select this one, select this, so this is corner, and press F to fill. So what I'm going to do is, instead of normal filling, we can do one more filling. Press space and type grid fill. Ooh, some loops are not connected perfectly, so what we can do is so I make it undo this all the items what I have created now, especially that extrude options what I did. Okay, so what I do is press shift D and X, and I create one more faces. Select these faces, press X and delete the faces. Select these one, press E to extrude in X axis. I create some more length and go to tab view and select all the corners. So press L to select the separated object, and press shift H to hide other things. So I select all these edges easily, and we can create a edge crease. Press shift E and create a crease, and press 1 on the keyboard and go to tab view and view the same. Sorry, we missed out here. So I select this, press shift E and 1 and enter, go back. Okay, now it's created. So go back to object mode, press alt hash to unhide everything, select these edges, press L to select this, go to front view, shift Z to wireframe and G X to move, and you can zoom it in and you can align the same. GX, press shift to move slowly. Fine. So this is enough for us for creating a small object, because it's a very small object, tiny object, so not need to worry about it making look, what to say, don't exactly. Fine. Okay, now our basic pen drive is created and we are going to start unwrapping and going to start texturing the pen drive in next video. So this video is ended now, so because it's taken around 21 minutes, so let me continue in next video. So kindly subscribe the channel and to get a new videos all the time, and support us to go further and encourage us to create more videos related to the modeling. So which object is required need to model, so kindly post it on comment, so we will look out around it and we will guide you how to do the modeling as per your requirement. Thank you, bye.